What's the meaning of an? Other? Another. 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 Another.
The phrase, an other, is used to refer to an unknown or anonymous individual, typically in situations where the person's identity is unimportant or irrelevant. It is often used in academic writing and research when authors want to refer to an example or hypothetical person without using a specific name or gender. The phrase is believed to have originated in the UK in the 19th century and has since become common in other English-speaking countries. In summary, an other is a shorthand way of referring to an anonymous or hypothetical individual.